Hi, Explain That here. In this video I'm going to show you how to log out of the Gmail from iPhone. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you don't miss any of the important steps. Also, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is go to Settings. So press Settings, scroll down until you see Mail. Press Mail. Then on Accounts, and then you see 3 different mails, and Gmail is the last one, so press Gmail. So if you want to log out of this mail, you can just try to delete the account. So if you delete the account and you press delete, it will automatically get rid of it from this phone, not from the Google page, but just from the iPhone itself. So if you want to delete it from your iPhone, just press delete account. So if you have deleted it, the next thing you can do is go to your Gmail account or just the Google tab, press on Home, and then at the top it will say the icon Explain That. At the bottom you can sign out. If you sign out this one, you will be completely signed out of the Google account as well. So if you press sign out, so clear data, then it's all gone. And this is how you log out of your Gmail account from your iPhone.